Pwede pong awatin yung robot.
Pwede.
Pasin mo, hinawakan niya na. Cemento eh. Oo, nag-stay eh.
Natutuwa yung batang Maynila nun eh. Pagkabi niya ng tekno.
Science High School.
Ayun, kumuha na ng seat. Babacuum siya. Ayan, yung pinaliwanag niya kanina. Ayun, nagtatanim na.
Tapos ano yun, measured. Pag may balbilo, no, minamanual yan, binipilang talaga kasi ngayon, mahal ang seed eh.
Seed.
Ang isang pack ng seeds sa
Sir, may seeds na per piece siya.
Oh,
3
per
pesos
piece.
per piece.
3 pesos per piraso.
Yung cost efficiency mo. May mga halaman kasi hindi mo kailangan maraming seeds. Isa lang. In a space. Isa di ba meron? Papatay lang. Wala. Meron talagang isa lang. Okay ka na. Ayun, yung seed daw mismo. Yung nasa next tray, yung...
This
Ayan,
is
didiligan na.
Kuka robot. Kuka robot is very well known for automation in vehicle. Okay, they do a lot of installation manufacturing for vehicle.
Where is it sourced from?
It's a Germany brand, but China bought over 51%. But the technology are all German. It's a very reliable robot, Kuka. We have a partnership with Kuka Robots. That's why they train us, and we have one of their robot there to train our students. So all those companies that work with us are very nice. They always send their technology over here. Okay, they always help us, train us, and we train students.
So important. Exposure.
Nakakuha na siya ng seed, so ilipat niya na yan.
Inside, my colleague there is Mervin. Okay, Mervin is automation trained. Okay, he is an engineer. Okay, but we have trained him to do science. So he has to take care of the vegetables also. So for pluck it out, you can try it. Is it sweet?
Salty sweet. Parang ang tamis. Matamis na siya.
Cherry
Walang ulit.
tomato.
Ito daw, Mayor, wasabi.
Let's use-
Wasabi.
This one's spicy.
Wasabi
Yeah.
mustard. Is this
But
spicy?
already spicy. The kids are coming. The kids are coming. This lettuce, yeah.
Alam mo bang malo?
Yeah.
High value protein.
This is salty. This is ice plant. And you can see at the side a bit of crystal, but it's not it's salt. And we don't add salt to it. We did not add anything to it.
This one is salt.
Yes. Okay, the nature of the plant. We don't add anything to it. Okay, it is by itself. Okay.
You have to do.
Ito mahirap pa.
This is spicy. You
Yeah,
like
yung
spices.
pang deer.
Oh.
Yan ba yung pang deer Darla? Hindi, hindi.
I'll pass it to you. I'll
It is like that.
This is
You can ask
wasabi.
Edwin, Edwin no.
Oh, malo ka lang.
This is ice plant. Oh, finish. You see? Oh, good sales.
Where's the pork?
Ang sarap ng gulay.
Sariwa.
Talagang science lang.
This one you can take that. You can pluck it.
Yeah, I know, but this is now the visualization of the program done by private sectors. This is now how you do it. So,
Yes.
from data management, mechanical,
All
the
digitalized.
science, then the end game. The
Retail.
This is this is a government
Government school.
school.
This is
Oh.
public. This is a government school. I
Parang,
try
parang
some-
polytechnic natin.
This is very intimidating because it's so high tech.
Yes.
Like is there like a low cost version for this?
There are people doing this outdoor so that they don't run so like this. They run on the
The concepts are the same except that the equipment will vary.
And we provide what we call food security.
Pasok yun.
I mean, that's why we have automated some because in Singapore it's very high. So the other alternative would be like to have voted.
This is what we grow here. You can try. I don't have many tomatoes because I have already harvested. So this is lettuce, this is mustard, okay, this is wasabi paste. You can try that is spicy paste. This is called ice plant. Okay, it itself is a bit salty, but we don't use salt to grow it. You can eat it raw. All this you can eat raw. Try.
There, you want to try
I already washed it.
Ah, yeah.
Try the vegetables.